Welcome to another CMD tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate to a folder in CMD, right? It is actually pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and open up your CMD right here in your search bar. Now, for example, we wanted to go through right here on a desktop. All right, as you can see here, we are currently on C, and C, as we all know, this is the default directory where our operating system is installed. All right, if you want to change a directory, just go ahead and type in, for example, the drive D, then colon, hit enter. And as you can see here, we are currently using the drive D. Now let's go back to C and let's try to navigate through the desktop right here. Just type in CD. All right. CD means change a directory. Now put in some /, then type in users, /. Let's say, for example, we hit enter. Now we are on the users folder, which is right here. I'm going to show you. All right, right here, this PC, C, users, this folder. We are currently using this folder. Now let's double click on it. Now here we have two profiles, which is public and this one, my profile. We're going to type in Ryan C /. All right, hit enter. I'm sorry, CD users Ryan C, then /, hit enter. Now we are currently using this one. Now, for example, we wanted to navigate through our desktop. All right. If you can't see desktop right here, if you're currently using OneDrive to power up your files right here in the desktop, well, the steps are similar. All right. Type in CD /, users / Ryan C / OneDrive. Hit enter. And now we are currently using the OneDrive right here. That's basically how you navigate to a folder in CMD. All right. I would give you another example. For example, we wanted to go to local disk D right here and games. And how do we do that? All right. Here, as I've told you earlier, just put in D, then colon, hit enter. Now we're working on D. Well, I'm going to type in here CD / games and hit enter. Now we are currently on the games folder. And that's basically how you navigate to a folder in CMD. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.